been raining all night. The sun's gonna pop out for a few minutes here. I didn't believe the predictions this morning when they said it would be snowing for a few hours, because I didn't think it'd get cold enough. It's in the upper 30s. But I'll just step out here for a bit and show you that it's actually snowing around me right now. Well, these things don't show up on camera as much. It's snowing pretty heavily. My camera's gonna get wet probably. I kind of doubt this will add up to anything, but we will see. It's supposed to snow for a few hours, what the forecast says. At least you can see it building up there. Sorry, my screen's getting wet. My lens is getting wet. Right, 7:15 in the morning, just after sunrise, and I'm pulling out of my campsite here near Capitol Reef and Water Pocket Fold. Had some pretty severe rains the night before last and halfway through yesterday. So we'll see what the road looks like up here. So far it doesn't look like any significant road damage from flooding. Kind of dark in here right now, but how's everyone doing out there? This morning I left my camp outside of Capitol Reef and then drove into Green River, Utah. And it's kind of like central Utah, and it's right off of the freeway, the I-70. It's a great little spot to stop if you want to just re-up on water, food, and do your laundry. It's a great little park, all kinds of great little restaurants to go and eat in. Anyway, rather than head out in the afternoon after I got done with my laundry today and try and scout out a brand new camp spot that I've never been in, I just decided to stay here in Green River for the night. And I found a spot years ago here where you could just hang out for the night near the older truck stop on the east end of town. It's in an area, what they call the overflow parking for that truck stop. Nothing's ever in it. Sometimes I've seen other trailers or RVs or something sitting here for a night or two. I don't think most people know about it, but it's totally cool with the truck stop. If you come out here and sit here for even a week. I've stayed here before when I had car problems. The downside of it is it's very overgrown and unmaintained. So there's a lot of big weeds, and the spot I'm in, which is right next to the Green River behind me, maybe 50 feet away, it's blocked by a bunch of weeds and some downed cottonwood trees in the area. It's very scrubby. People do come out here and dump their trash and stuff like that. But I have a decent view of a farm to the north of me, and then they're called the Roan Cliffs, I think, not the Book Cliffs, but big mesas from off the north here. Anyway, I'm waiting out these 40-mile-an-hour winds that are moving through the area this afternoon and into the night. And I thought I'd just at least give you a quick look at the spot I'm in. This is pretty ghetto, but it's a great, easy spot to stay in for a night or two before moving on, or in really bad weather, and for free anyway. So I'll step out right now and have you take a look. I'm glad it calmed down. You might be able to see the truck stop down there in the distance, and this big dirt area that's never mowed or anything. There's big cottonwoods that have even fallen down and blocked part of one of the dirt roads coming in here. Just to give you an idea how trashy this is. This is a mattress that was left here, I don't know, years ago, and the box spring is there, and it's mostly rotted now. An old office chair with no legs that it was dumped there. It looks like it's been in the sun for years. Here's one of the cottonwoods that went down since I was here last. A big giant blanket or something hanging from the tree. Just about 30 feet that way is the Green River. You might be able to see a semi crossing the bridge over it right now. It'd be kind of a nice spot if someone hadn't trashed it. At least my window and door is facing north here, and it's a field of hay, I think, that's about a foot tall now, and then big mesas back there. The Roan Cliffs is, I think that's what those are called. And to the west, there's similar formations called the Book Cliffs outside of Grand Junction and into Utah. Anyhow, it's turning out to be a pretty sunset anyway, and I'm just one of my very quick setups here where I can get going early in the morning. Anyway, that's part of the story here. These are some of the things you have to do sometimes when you're out on the road for long periods of time. I'm just waiting out some bad weather rather than get back on some dirt road I don't know yet. It's very convenient to be able to spend a night here in a spot like this. I don't know how this is coming out. I have lights on in here, but some of them are actually, I think I need to recharge one of them, and it's getting pretty dark. I'll be back later in this video tomorrow, and campsite I'm going to try and find near the San Rafael Reef. Or it's the San Rafael Swell, rather.